Hello my dear students, welcome back in today's session. Dear students, today we will see the second topic from your textbook, okay? As we learned yesterday, first topic, that is a happy song, right? Same, today also one beautiful poem, name is Nature, okay? Nature. 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 Nature means what? Our environment, right? In our EVS class, we already learned about environment, but this is a beautiful poem today we are going to see. Okay? Nature. So first, my dear students, just listen carefully. I'm just reading the poem. Okay? You can see the lines and try to read after me. Okay? And then I will explain it. So first, what they said, listen, sing and act. Okay? Listen means suno. Sing, try to sing, gao, okay, and act, karke dikhao, okay. So listen, sing and act. Then see the first line, okay. Now I'm reading it, you just see my side. Nature is might, okay. Nature is might. Might means what? Powerful. How is the nature? Nature is powerful, right? Nature is strong. Nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Now let me explain these four lines. Nature is might means what? Nature कैसा है? Powerful, है ना? So many things are there. There is a mountain. There are trees and lots of things. There are sea, rivers. So many things are there in the part of our nature. Correct? So nature is strong. What is the second line is? Nature is strong. वो सारी चीजें कैसी है? Strong है ना? Right? Nature is beauty and so many beautiful things also a part of our nature. Correct? Means rainbow, birds, flowers, and so many lots of things there are in the nature. So nature is a beauty. ओके सारी ब्यूटीफुल चीजें कहाँ देखने मिलती है हमें? नेचर में. एंड नेचर इज मूडी. व्हाई कॉल नेचर इज मूडी? सी, जैसे देखो हमारा भी कभी कभी मूड ऑफ होता है, कभी हम एंग्री होते हैं, राइट? कभी बहुत हैप्पी होते हैं. सेम लाइक हैपनिंग विद द नेचर. समटाइम देखो बहुत जोर से बारिश होती है, कभी बारिश का पानी घरों के अंदर घुस जाता है, राइट? So it means nature got angry. हम समझ जाते हैं ना कि नेचर, बाप रे, नेचर को गुस्सा आया है, right? So nature is moody. Sometimes climate is very pleasant and cool and nice. तो yes, it means nature feeling happy, right? And कभी कभी बहुत तेज धूप होती है, right? Sometimes we feel very hot, like I'm sweating just now. Same like we feeling in that weather, right? So that's why it's called nature is moody. कभी happy, कभी sad, कभी angry, like that way. Okay? Then come to the next stanza. Nature is smart. Okay? Nature is smart. देखो कोई बताता है नेचर को कि अभी दिन से रात होनी है या फिर रात से दिन होना है. No. It is happening ना. चाहे हम रुक सकते हैं मगर नेचर अपने काम टाइम टू टाइम परफेक्टली करता है. Like weathers, day and nights. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि पूरा 24 आवर्स डे है या फिर 24 आवर्स नाइट है? नो, राइट? दिन के बाद रात, रात के बाद वापस दिन होता ही रहता है. लाइक सेम वेदर ऑल्सो चेंजिंग, राइट? 4 months समर, 4 months रेनी, 4 months विंटर, सेम थिंग. सो ही इज अ स्मार्ट, राइट? नेचर इज स्मार्ट. उसे कुछ चीज बताने की जरूरत नहीं होती, वो अपने काम स्मार्टली कंप्लीट करता है, राइट? Like you are also smart, you are also smart students, you are also doing your work on time, right? Very good. Now, next line, nature is blue. Blue, what is the part? Which part is blue? Like sky, blue sky, right? बहुत बड़ा आसमान है, right? जहां भी देखो blue ही नजर आता है, right? So, nature is blue. Blue किसको कहा गया है? Sky. And उसका रिफ्लेक्शन जब सी में पड़ता है तो वो भी हमें ब्लू नजर आता है, राइट? सो नेचर इज ब्लू. देन नेचर इज ग्रीन. ग्रीन, जब हम माउंटेन्स देखते हैं, ट्रीज देखते हैं, ये सारे क्या है? ग्रीन है, राइट? ये सारी चीजें क्या है? green है, like plant, small plant, grass, everything. What is the color they're having? Green color, right? That's why they said nature is green. Then nature is true. सारी मीन्स कुछ चीजें झूठी नहीं होती, राइट? ट्रू होती है, सच होता है, जो भी होता है सच होता है. ट्रू मीन्स सच होता है, राइट? सो नेचर इज ट्रू. जो भी है हमारे सामने प्रेजेंट होता है. देन नेचर इज यू, नेचर इज मी. You are also part of nature. I am also a part of nature. So nature will forever be free. और nature सबके लिए free होता है. जैसे देखो मैं एग्जांपल बताती हूँ बच्चों. हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज करते हैं, मगर आफ्टर 1 month we have to pay the bill, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. सन की लाइट हम होल डे यूज करते हैं, कितने सालों से यूज करते हैं. क्या कभी सन अपना बिल देता है आपको? नहीं. सो इट इज अ फ्री. सनलाइट इज फ्री फॉर एवरीवन. वो कुछ देखता नहीं कि ये अमीर है, ये गरीब है, ये छोटा है, ये बड़ा है. नहीं, सबके लिए सेम होता है. ओके, लाइक वाटर, रेन वाटर, इट्स नॉट चार्जेबल, राइट? मीन्स वो किसी के लिए चार्ज नहीं करता है कुछ भी. मतलब चलो ये मेरा बिल है, ये मेरे वाटर का बिल है, चलो मुझे पे करो. नहीं. सो इट इज अ फ्री फॉर एवरीवन. लाइक एयर, हम जो ब्रीथ लेते हैं, that air is also free for everyone. So whatever natural things are there in our nature, that is a free for everyone. Understand, my dear students? So here we finish our beautiful poem. Name was Nature. Okay, so in this session only this much. Now I am giving you new words which are there in the lesson. What you have to do is you have to write each word 5 times. You can see at my side I'm just reading. You just note down that in your notebook and copy down each word 5 times. Okay, dear students? So this poem is on your textbook page number 2. So you can see from here, otherwise you can copy from your notebook. But make sure you have to read them and each word you have to copy down 5 times. Okay? So first word is Nature. Nature. What is the first word is? Nature. Nature. Then next, Might. Might. Okay, might means what I said, powerful. Okay, might. Then next, Strong. Strong. Strong means ekdam same, okay, powerful. Okay, strong. Then Beauty. Beauty. Beauty means खूबसूरत, right? Beauty. Beauty. Then next, Moody. Moody. Means changing is mood. Emotional changing. कभी angry, कभी जैसे हमने सुना अभी पढ़ा, like that way. Okay? Moody. Moody. Then next, Smart. 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 Okay? Intelligent. Smart. Then Blue. 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 Next is Green. Green. These two are color, blue and green. Blue sky, green grass and land. Everything. Right? Next is True. True means such. Okay? True means truth. Then Ever. Ever means हमेशा के लिए. Free. Free means क्या कहते हैं उसको, उसका कोई चार्जेबल नहीं रहता, राइट? फ्री means for everybody. Free. Free. So now, dear students, just finish your writing part, means your new word writing part in this session. Next session we will see workbook writing part in next session. Okay? Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.